Hey guys, this is the review for Spiral4. We're trying to find the slope between 2 points. To do that, I'm going to figure out how much my x is changing and how much my y is changing to go from place to place. From 52 to negative 37, I'm increasing by 89. That's my y change. My x change, I've got to see how much I'm increasing to go from 4.3 to 25. Sorry, that's supposed to be negative 89. Whew. And 25 minus 4.3 is going to be 20.7. So negative 89 divided by 20.7 will give us a lovely answer of about negative 4.3. For number 2, I have to find the value of k to make this slope negative 2. Okay, we're going to set up the same way. So k minus negative 3. And 4 minus 1, we have to make that equal to negative 2. K minus negative 3 is k plus 3. 4 minus 1 is 3, and that equals negative 2. To get rid of that 3 in the bottom, I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. So k plus 3 is equals to negative 6, which means k equals negative 9. For our next one, we have to find the slope-intercept form of a line. First, we got to find the slope. From negative 10 to 8 is plus 18. And from 0 to negative 5 is negative 5. My slope is negative 18 over 5. My y-intercept is given to us, 0, negative 10. So y equals negative 18 over 5, x plus negative 10, or minus 10. I've got to write an equation through 2 points. That means I'm probably going to be using point-slope form. First, I've got to find the slope. 7 to negative 9 is going to be negative 16. And from negative 3 to positive 8 is going to be positive 11. That's my slope. I can use either point. And if I use my first one, it might be y minus 7 is equal to negative 16 over 11. X plus 3, remember it's the opposite of the number. And if I use the second one, it might be y minus negative 8, or I'm sorry, y minus negative 9, or y plus 9 is equal to negative 16 over 11 times x minus 8. Again, that's the opposite of what that number is. Here I've got to sketch a graph. It looks to me like we're in point-slope form. So I'm going to identify my point. This point is going to be the opposite of that is 3. The opposite of that is negative 2. So 3, negative 2 can be somewhere down here. And a slope of negative 1, 3 means down 1, and 3 to the right. There's my next point. I can go up 1, 3 to the left. Hey, that's a y-intercept. And what the heck, I might as well go up 1, 3 to the left. Hey, that's an x-intercept. I think I've identified all my important points in the graph. And using my really awesome graphing skills, I'm going to draw a line perfectly through those 3 points, or 4 points. Here I'm asked to sketch a graph of a line. I'm given something that looks like it's in standard form. And in standard form, the fastest way that we can work with this is to make an xy table and find our intercepts by plugging in 0 for x and then 0 for y. So if I've got 4 times 0 plus 5y is equal to 20, well, the first part goes away, and I've got 5 times the number is 20. That number is 4. 0 and 4. And then if I've got 4 times x plus 5 times 0 is equal to 20. Well, that part goes away now, because 5 times 0 is 0. And 4 times 5 is 20. There's 5. My line's going to go right through those points, and I've already identified both my x and my y intercepts.